The Creatista Plus Coffee Machine by Sage. As you can see, it's in stainless steel. Water container at the back, quite large, keep you going all day easily. Comes with its own little stand for espresso cups, which you should just be able to pull out quite easy, push back in when not in use. Discarded pods in the pod holder, quite easily comes out, pops in, just on a little spring ratch, quite a nice sensation. Got the milk wand, which as soon as you turn it up, turns off automatically. Comes with its own milk jug, which literally just sits under there. And if you want to put the pod in, just lift the lever up, nice strong lever, nice and strong. Little pod pops in there, shut back down, nice feel to it. If you want to operate the machine, it's got a small LCD screen which turn on the machine, press the button, little Sage emblem comes up and tells you what you want to do. Just by rotating the knob left or right, you can choose whatever you want. Clean the steam wand, frothing milk, latte macchiato, cappuccino, latte, flat white, lungo, espresso, ristretto. So it does all these. You can't actually change the setting by just pressing a button, and it brings up all the different settings. If you want to adjust that, you press it. As you can see, the little emblem gets bigger. When you finish, shut it back down. Cafe latte. So I'm just going to make one of those now. So I'm just going to have to put the on down. So I've put the jug on, and we've got the cup. You don't have to do both, but it's a bit tricky when you're holding the camera at the same time. So to operate the machine, we literally just press the button. As you can see, it starts flashing, which indicates it's working. As you can see, it's making a nice coffee espresso extraction from an espresso cup. Once that has finished, it instructs you on the screen to start milk. So you just literally start the milk by pressing a button. As you can see, it's flashing. It starts making a little noise. As you can see, it's doing the milk. It doesn't take too long to do this. You can adjust the settings for the milk froth, for cappuccino, big latte, whatever you prefer. It's all automatic, you don't have to wait, you don't have to turn it off. But if you do want to turn it off at any stage, you just literally lift the wand, and it just automatically turns off. So you've got some nice milk, nice and smooth. It's coming to an end, and that's it. So let me just take that out, pour it off. As you can see, it does a steam purge automatically, and you can just wipe the spout when keep it nice and clean. And to make your coffee, just pour that in, and then you've got your coffee. And that's it. Great machine, comes in different colours. This is stainless steel, you can get white, black, all sorts. Retail $3.99, John Lewis. $2.99 from Sage Online. That's the best place to go. So it's a great machine, nice and heavy. It can be cleaned quite easy. You can just lift the tray up, take that away and clean it, or it just actually just comes off at the front. So there you go. Great machine. Recommend it to anybody.